Hi, my name is Jeff Jones, and this video is to show you how to clean up your tracks after you've done a successful exploit. So I'm going to do that, and first of all, let's take a look at where we are so far. What we've done is actually gone in, and I'll pull this up, gone in and made a connection into our target, which is a Windows 2003 Service Pack 1 server, and we'll go ahead and look at that. As we can see, this is the server itself, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another RDP connection into it. The last video showed you how to create an RDP connection, so we're going to RDP into it, and we're going to do a few things. So let's go ahead and run RDP. Okay, so we have our RDP connection set up. We're going to go ahead and enter our password, which we set up in the last video. Okay, we've gained access, and so we need to do a few things to clean up after ourselves. And one of those is going to be we're going to clear all the logs in the event viewer, but we don't want to do that until we've actually logged off of RDP. And what we're going to do is we're going to establish a telnet session via command line. So let's go ahead and just close this out. We want to log off. And we're going to begin the cleanup process. So let's go back to the Saint exploit server, and let's open the command prompt. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to turn the remote desktop protocol off, and we're going to do that. We're going to open up my cheat sheet that I recommend anybody that's doing this create one of these. That way you can simply refer to this as your reference point. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn off remote desktop in the registry. We're going to go ahead and copy that, and we're going to open up command prompt and just paste that in. We're going to hit enter. Okay, so as you see, RDP is turned off, and we're going to test that by opening up an RDP session and see if it works. Okay, remote access is turned off, so that's good. That worked. Okay, so now what we need to do is we're going to turn telnet on, and we're going to go ahead and erase the event log. So I'm going to go to my cheat sheet, and the command is telnet server.exe. Okay, let's just copy that, and we're going to paste it in here, and then we're going to click enter. Okay, so that should have worked, and let's go ahead and see if telnet is turned on. Okay, so there's telnet services turned on. So the next step is what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to use the Windows WMIC to erase the event logs. And so let's just go ahead and log in. Hacker. Okay, so we're in. Okay, so let's go to System 32, and we're going to start the Windows Management Interface Console called WMIC. So let's go ahead and just CD to System 32. Okay, and we'll just type in the command WMIC. Okay, so we're in. And we're just going to hit and enter here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the cheat sheet. And we are going to erase the system event log. So let's take a look at the event log on the server itself. As you can see, I've got this open, so we've got a full complement of different log event files in there right now. Any of those, or one of those, probably traces back to our takeover and exploit of the machine. Okay, so let's go back to the Telnet server, and we're going to issue the command to delete the system log, and we're also going to delete the application log. So let's go ahead and open the cheat sheet, and we're going to do system first, copy that, put that in, hit enter. Okay, so we want to say yes. Alright, now let's do the same thing for the application log. Yes again. Okay, so now let's go ahead and just look at the event viewer, and you can see system log, no items shown, and application log is the same. Okay, so let's go back to the command tool, and we're going to redo the task list. Okay, so Telnet server is running on 1780, and so we're going to kill it by issuing a task kill command on 1780. Paste that in. Hit enter. Okay, so it's been terminated. Let's verify that and try starting a Telnet session on the device. Okay, so the Telnet service has stopped. So we'll just go ahead and issue the clear command, and let's go ahead and remove the net user hacker. All right. So let's just do net user hacker delete. Okay, so that was good. Now what we want to do is we want to actually go in and delete his files as well, because there is a file folder with his name on it. So we're going to go into CD Documents and Settings. Okay, CD. Okay, and let's go in and do a dir. There's hacker, so we're just going to do a delete. rm dir hacker. Okay, so that's gone. Do a dir to confirm, and he no longer exists. So what we've done here is gone in and cleaned up our event viewer and our administrative user that we've created, and so we're done for now. So thank you, and if you got any questions, please give us a call. You can email us at info@tgallant.net, or you give us a call, or you can go to the website, which is listed up here, and contact us through the information, the contact page. So thank you very much, and have a great day.